They actually own a house a few miles away. It is one of their absolute favorite places to be. This is their holiday home, so they're always up here in the winter. They love the snow. For them, it just kind of brings to life the magic of the holiday season. And when my bride thought about, where do I feel the most alive? Where do I feel the most romantic? Where do I feel like I've had some of my most loving times with this man? It's up here in Lake Tahoe in the snow. And so we are certainly bringing that to life right now. I've been working on this wedding for over 2 years. It has been a dream come true. The property is amazing. The mountains and the trees and the snow is iconic. And standing here with all of this coming down around me, with the crews working in the back, I'm just thrilled to know that she is going to have the look, the feel, and the experience that she has been dreaming of. Like, we don't have it, it's so much fun. My bride really wanted contrast. She wanted moody, she wanted dark. Yes, she wanted the ski lodge snow setting and this area of the country, but she wanted the reception itself to be really elevated. I want to blow their guests away. I want their family and friends to say, oh my God, how did she do this? But the truth is, I don't physically make those doors. I don't open and close. I don't do all of these things. I work with the best of the best, because these people, this crew, these teams are next level, and they are getting it done. And I have the world's greatest couple, and they trust me, and that means everything. I know how she wants to feel. I've gotten to know this client so well that they asked me to actually officiate. I'm seeing it come to life, and I know that this team has worked so hard. And when the doors open and I see that smile on her face, every minute will have been worth it. It's so late at night and it's so cold, and we've been working so hard, and this is everything. Everything. We are so close to giving them everything that they ever wanted. So close. And I knew it. I knew this team was going to do it. I knew it, and I am blessed and humbled beyond measure by the creative forces that I have an opportunity to work with. You guys make me look so good. This is about taking my client's worldview and interpreting it through my lens so that I can create the world as if it was a beautiful place. I wanted them to be dazzled. I wanted them to be overwhelmed. And it turns out that I am the one who is deeply overwhelmed. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you soon.